Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to FARMAN Outdoors channel. Today's video we are going to look at how to carve a cylinder from a square block. Before we start the video, please remember to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way you will not miss any of our carving videos and outdoor adventures. So stay tuned and let's dive into the video. For today's video, I'm going to use Carve whittling knife. Today I'm going to be using a slice resistant gloves, which I do recommend for beginners, just to prevent yourself from accidentally hurting or cutting. Maybe you don't need them, but I'm just doing it for purpose of the video. You might be thinking, why do I want to carve a cylinder from a square block? Well, a cylinder is a first step in a lot of different projects that you might do. For carving a little plant or tree, the first thing we need to do is round it off into the cylinder. Even when carving a little human figures and little face, we do rounding off the front part of wood block. This way of carving is, I think, a helpful skill to pick up as a beginner independent of any project that you are working on. So what I do in order to round that block is start by, and I'm just estimating here, a third of the way across each face of the wood, like that. So I am marking a line a third of the way across, splitting each one on those up into thirds. It will be revealed if we look at the top. So if I connect these corners like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this, the same we do here. Then when we look from top, instead of seeing a square, what we will have is an octagon. An octagon is closer to a circle than a square. So, and then what I'm going to do for making the cylinder from the square is just flatten each corner down to those lines that I made. I do that by pushing on one side until it's flat. So I prefer to use the push cut. It's more controlled way of the carving. My wood is a little bit hard, but knife is okay, it's sharp, but wood is hard. I could not find a soft wood, especially the basswood. So, and then to other side, okay. Yeah, by this way, to all the 4 sides of the wood block we need cut off. Next one. Okay, so now when we look to the wood block from top from here, now we can see the as a octagon. Before it was a square, but now it's an octagon, which is more closer to the cylinder. But what we need to do, we need to make a carve cylinder, yes, but still here we have a hard corners. So what we need to do now, just to carve them slowly. Yep, like that. Again, I'm using the push cut here. It's more closer now to the cylinder, but from other side still we need to take out all these hard corners. Okay, let's do it. And time by time we need to check the shape of wood from top. So I think we have now the cylinder shape of the wood. Yeah, now we can carve into another figures if we wish from this piece of the cylinder wood block. Yeah, as I told, my wood was a little bit of hard wood, so yeah, but it's okay, it's okay. I feel a little bit of pain in a finger over here. Yeah, so I hope you are going to choose the soft wood. Yeah, it will be more easier to carve it. So some of the people, they prefer to make a cylinder by the machine tools in a machine very quickly, but I like this way to do, because when you look to the wood you can see the signs of the cuts, the carvings, so it makes the wood more nicer, I think so. Today's video is going to finish now, so I hope you learned something new. I hope this video was a useful video for you, so I hope you enjoyed also. So if you like it, please guys, don't forget to hit the like button, thumbs up. And if you have some question about the carving or whittling or some suggestion to me, so please don't hesitate. As soon as possible I will try to answer to your questions, comments. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good whittling, have a good carving. Stay safe, stay wild.